This, you guys, is what I call at-home hair. Decided I was gonna wash my hair today, so I threw some foils in while my kids are napping and trying to keep the heat in because I'm super impatient waiting for it to process. Okay guys, I washed my hair out. I've got some fresh little highlights in there. I was doing my makeup and I just decided, why don't I show you guys what I do for my hair routine? I have a lineup of products that I use regardless if I let it air dry or if I blow dry it, which I'm gonna blow dry right now. I'm gonna use my blow dry brush. Oh, that I love. And I would say out of all of my products that I use, the mousse, definitely need a heat protectant, dust it for after it's dry, and my texture spray are my top favorites that I must have in my hair to do any sort of style, but I do use a couple other ones too. So don't feel obligated that you need all of these. You guys obviously know what works for your hair, but I just wanted to show you what I do. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with the smoothing balm. I'm gonna use a little bit. Little goes a long way, guys. So it's just gonna help smooth out your ends, get rid of some of that frizziness. It smells really good. Next, I'm gonna go in, before I even brush my hair, heat protectant. I like to use this before and after blow drying. I like to use it during my styling. Like if I curl my hair, I let the curls completely cool. I'll put a little bit in my hands and then I work it through. And it just makes the curls look so beautiful, shiny. It also smells, the Amika products smell so good. And I don't love all of their products. I just have found my favorites. So, and then I'm gonna go in with some mousse. My kids broke the lid off, so I have to be very careful when I use that. And then also this is going to give it some grit, some texture, some volume. Okay, last product before we blow dry. The Unite texture spray for your roots. I like to use a generous amount. It definitely gives it that like sticky tacky feeling that maybe some of you don't really love, so you might want to go a little less than what I do, but I like to put it in, work it through. I really love to put it up here in my bang area. It does not leave it like greasy looking at all. It's just going to give it some serious volume and grit at your roots. So I like to work that through. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm going to brush my hair before I go in with my blow dry brush. Okay, so before we blow dry, we're gonna section our hair. I know I have so many clients that say, oh, that's just one more step I don't wanna do. I promise you, it's gonna save you time. So section your hair. I like to do like 3 sections. Don't mind my door opening. Okay, I'm gonna start with this lower section. I'm gonna start blow drying with my blow dry brush, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do the top. Okay, I got everything blow dried. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I do for just the top section of my hair. I already did the back. I have a really bad cowlick back here that takes some extra effort into getting it to not show, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get the volume on top. The key is you're gonna see that I'm going to use the roller. I'm gonna pull it back, but you don't wanna touch it until it is completely cooled. I've said this a million times before, so let me show you. Don't touch, let it cool. Okay, we're cooled. Look at this. Look at this volume, you guys. I am ready for any style. It's a little quick, right? But seriously, starting out your hair days like this is going to help you throughout the week. Like I only wash my hair like once or twice a week. And having this from the beginning is only gonna make your life easier. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys have a great day.